This is a video of the 52-inch Hunter Stratford II that is in my parents' bedroom in our house. We bought this fan brand new about 2 years ago from Home Depot. It's 3-speed forward reverse with white blades on one side and the bleached oak on the other side. Got this fan for about $60 at Home Depot. It's a good fan. It's a really good fan. I'm not crazy about Home Depot fans, but definitely good for a Hunter Home Depot fan. It moves quite a bit of air. It's kind of high up because the ceilings in my parents' bedroom are vaulted ceilings, or sloped ceilings. So I'll turn the light on for you. Light works good. And now I gotta reach up pretty high to get the chain here, but here's low speed. It doesn't wobble. It doesn't make any noise. It's very quiet. And you can even feel a little bit of air moving from the fan, even on low speed. Let's see if I stand under it here. I can even feel a little bit of the air moving. So it keeps my parents comfortable at night when they sleep. Here's medium speed. It does wobble a little bit. But it's not too bad. And I'm not going to turn it on high because I really don't like the way that this one wobbles. Just to be precaution, because if my parents' fan falls, they'll probably kill me. But it moves a good amount of air on medium. My dad is really paranoid about fan wobble, so I'm not going to turn it on high. But I'll turn it back to low so they like it on low speed. And that is my parents' 52-inch Hunter Stratford II. Hope you enjoyed.